Hello everybody, I already have 100,000 subscribers. Thank you, I'm very happy. In this occasion I will show you how I make video clip. At the beginning I'm doing an intro. I made the intro on this website. Uploading photo. And now I need to change background. Click preview and download. Next step is making 3D model. I'm copying logo from Adobe Photoshop to Inventor. Now I draw logo and next extrude. This is my logo. I change material on weld stainless steel. Now I'm making green screen. This is the animation of my logo. I'm checking the settings and click render. It will take a few minutes now. Launching Adobe Premiere. I put everything on the timeline. Removing green screen and change settings. Base set video and fireworks. And finally, I'm adding end screen and that's all. Sometimes the latest video is blocked by YouTube. If video clips is long or new, I have to make a cuts. Lot of cuts. For example, in this video about Godzilla, I cut out people. In another video, I just pasted funny scenes. You like watching fight and battles and hot ladies? Maybe in the future I will give you more hot ladies. Do you like my intro? Please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.